Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, I am making a holiday centerpiece perfect for your fireplace mantle, your holiday dinner table, or your coffee table. We're making magical votives with winter scenery that you can print out at home. And we're doing it with the help of our friends at Grafix, who make a beautiful plastic matte film that you can print out on your home computer. I'm gonna leave a link to the winter scenes below, just in case you like the ones I used. Before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some centerpieces. At first, I thought I'd just add the images to glass votives, but they're small and they don't make an impact like the big craft plastic cylinders. I grabbed these tin trays at the dollar store, but you could just use a dinner plate. You can also fill the trays with mini ornaments, tiny deer, and mini pine cones. If you have other suggestions for holiday centerpieces, I'm sure everyone would love to see them in the comments below. I know I would. If you want to use real tea lights, make sure to put them in a glass votive inside your cylinders. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project below. Make sure to check out Grafix. They have amazing plastic films that you can use for all kinds of different things. Card making, ornaments, these votives, you name it. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them, and I will see you next week. Bye.